Mother India produced a galaxy of genius, and Rabindranath Tagore is perhaps the brightest among them. Rabindranath Tagore was one of the most legendary Indian poets and novelists of all times. He was an eminent philosopher, patriot, nationalist, painter, and humanist. He was an exceptional personality. He was born at Jorasanko in Kolkata on the 7th of May 1861. His father's name was Debendranath Tagore and his mother's name was Sharada Devi. Rabindranath was the youngest of Debendranath Tagore's 14 children. Debendranath Tagore was a religious reformer and philosopher who was active in the Brahmo Samaj, and Sharada Devi was a devout and compassionate woman who played a significant role in shaping her son. Rabindranath Tagore's values, spirituality, and worldview. Rabindranath Tagore's mother died in his childhood, and his father often traveled extensively. So he mostly grew up with the maids. He had no regular school education. But his education was not neglected. Under the personal care of his father Debendranath Tagore and the tutors at home, he gained a deep knowledge in Bengali, Sanskrit, and English. From the very boyhood, he began to write poems of great merit and charm. He was a versatile genius. He began to write drama from 16 years of age. At the age of 20, Rabindranath Tagore wrote original dramatic piece Balmiki Pratibha. In later life, he became a poet, a dramatist, a story writer, a novel essayist. Some of his best poems are found in the Gitanjali, Sonatari, K. Kalpana, Balika, etc. For his English version of the Gitanjali, he got the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. His novels and plays are of high order. His songs are yet very popular in our country. He was a great educationist too. He had unique ideas of open-air institution and freedom from the fear of examination. He blended ancient Indian type of teaching with modern ideas of education. The students found a new meaning of life with their all-round development. He established a school at Shantiniketan and afterwards founded the University of Vishwa Bharati. He was a great poet as well as a great thinker and educationist of international reputation. He taught the students and contributed his Nobel Prize money towards the development of the university. He drew several sketches, doodles, and paintings which were put up in exhibitions at Paris and London. In 1919, Rabindranath Tagore repudiated his knighthood to protest the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. He wrote some patriotic songs which gained great popularity. The national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, was one of Rabindranath Tagore's best composition which depicts his patriotic nature. He was popularly known as Gurudev, Kobi Guru, and Vishwa Kobi. He left this earth on the 7th of August 1941, but still he is remembered as the poet laureate all over the world.